Lucknow is a city built on Tehzeeb, etiquette, grace, and patience. The world moves slowly here. But at this stall, time doesn't just slow down, it stops completely. All the chaos of the market, the rickshaw horns, the chatter, it all fades into a blur. Because right now, the only thing that matters is the rhythm of these hands. The thumb presses down, a perfect, delicate crack. Not too hard to shatter, not too soft to struggle. It's muscle memory. A pinch of the spicy aloo mix. He knows exactly how much makes the perfect bite without ever looking down. And then, the dip. That deep dive into the martaban. This isn't just water, it's an alchemy. It's cold, it's tangy, and it is holding the entire soul of the city in a fragile batasha. And as the common citizen takes that gulp, the world outside ceases to exist. In that fleeting moment, everything is forgotten. There is no pain, no worry, there is no ego. There is an unspoken contract here. He serves, you eat. No words needed. Just the nod of approval as the spice hits the back of your throat. In the middle of the noisy streets, this is a moment of pure focus. The famous Lucknow Pani Batasha. Simple, spicy, and absolutely soulful.